Wow! Sino sa anak? Triangle. Yay! Triangle. My next. Come on. Faster, anak. Flower. Wow! Flower. Flower. Yay! Next. Star, anak. Then star. Wow! Ito yung star. Wow! Yes! Star! Next! Heart, din heart. Okay. Din oval, garden oval or oblong. Oval or oblong or oval. Wow! Good job! Next. That's the square. Square sa anak. No. See, square. Okay. Square. Yay, yes. Clap. The square. Yay. Okay. Clap din, mommy. Clap. Yay. Clap din ako. Heart. Anak din heart. Okay. Ito yung heart. Heart. Wow. Heart. Wow. Good job. Heart. Yes. Clap. Oh, next. Clap. Pakmot. Okay. Clap. Next. Hexagon. Okay. Hexagon. Ito din hexagon. No. Is that yeah. Hexagon sa anak. Hexagon, no. No, anak, that's not. Hexagon. No, kasi no, it's not. No. Semicircle. Okay, good job. Semicircle. Or half circle. Wow! Okay, I'll have to clap. Clap. Next. Rectangle. Wow! Yeah. Clap. Okay, clap din ako, mommy. Clap. Next. It's here. The diamond supposed to be here. Look, ito's na. You put. Okay. Sana din diamond. Wow! Last is, of course, trapezoid. Ito yung circle. Baliktad. Whoops. Baliktad. Yeah. Wow! Next, the circle. Wait, nay, anak ko. Nakong. Nay. Sino sa? Circle. Wow! Okay.